my face. The excitement has a very valid reason because it's a Black Friday today and oh my god ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है. Okay, so I'm going inside. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा insist करके इमरान को मनवाया कि please take me somewhere. It's Black Friday. I just want to explore the deals going on because मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है morning से I am getting more than 100 plus notifications of all the brands. Like they are calling me like, why are you sitting in your office? Just come over and get shopped for the day. Because it's Black Friday here in Canada and you know there are so many stores that have 40-50% off. So let's go inside because it's too chill. See you inside and I'll show you what all deals we have here on Black Friday in Canada. I have just entered. It's crazy and मैंने back door से entry की है, like entrance 8, which is the back door of Square One, and you can see from the background. But let me show you from the back camera. I am not sure I'm gonna get anything or not, but let me take you with me and let's see how it goes. Oh my god guys, I am so overwhelmed with the things. Every store has a 25%, 40% and some stores have no, there is no free store and some stores have even 50% off the sale and I don't know where to start, so let's just see. And I don't know what's going to be the first stop. Very much confused because too many people, itna lag raha hai aise pura crowded and not sure which is the first store. There's nothing free for sure. Right? Okay. So the Black Friday sale is in the body shop, so I have to definitely check it. So wow, that's the great deal. They have 5% off in these articles. Wow, that's nice. $5. Oh, that's nice. It's a steal deal. You can't miss it. So this is everything $10. Oh, that's nice. This is $10. The body cream. Oh, that's nice. So all the other products are 30% off. This is my go-to moisturizer जो मैं every day लेती हूँ and that is for $32. But I am getting this 50% off. So why not to take? I'm taking 2 of them because I know ये तो मुझे लेनी होती है हमेशा. This is my go-to vitamin C body shop moisturizer. So I'm definitely taking 2 of them. So my first shopping is done. See, I can see that there's a difference to shop on a Black Friday. Imran, what is your say in this?
I don't think it's same.
It's not same, Imran. मुझे moisturizer नहीं मिलता off में.
It's about some profit margins, nothing else. That is the same.
Imran को समझाना is next to impossible. So I'm searching for the next stop. I can see obviously Zara in front of me, which I can never miss. So let's check that out. Guys, I just entered Zara and look at this color what I found. This is all over the internet, the burgundy color, and it's so in these days. Oh my god, I just love it. And इस पे कोई deal नहीं है. Can you see it? जो भी trending चीजें होती है उस पे कोई भी offer नहीं है. This is the regular price and this is amazing. Oh my god guys, just look at this beautiful neck piece. This is so damn beautiful.
What is this?
What? I am not sure how much is it for. This is $35. I don't know Imran, मेरी problem है. जो मुझे चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है ना वो off पे नहीं है. That's not in the. This is excluded from Black Friday.
This is predefined like pricing.
I don't know. I should take this or no. But this gives me that furry feeling. But definitely no because I don't know. It's not as per the fitting. So no. This is what I liked a lot. So I am definitely considering this and it's so warm from inside. Just look at this, बहुत ज़्यादा warm है. It's that wool factor. So I am definitely considering this one. Let me ask Imran how it looks, but मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है. It's long, not too long, not too short. So we are definitely considering this as the one. So guys, I think today is not my day because I showed you inside what's happening inside Zara and it was so crazy and it was so crowded. Even if you like some things, you're not able to get it because it's hell out of lineup and it's so crowded and things are little mess. Not little mess, the whole Zara is messed up. So it's better to shop online, and I don't know, it is 40% off, but either you're not able to get the size or something like that. So let's see other options. But Zara, not a no for today. Not my day for Zara. Let's see more. Guys, I just entered Sephora and it's even more crazier and busiest store ever.
What's the next step?
Definitely no for Sephora. I don't have the patience. I don't know.
If they have a deal or not?
They have the deals for sure, but you need the patience to get the deals.
We have patience.
I don't have it, so I think no. Because Sephora mein you need that person to assist you. I don't think so. यहाँ पे दूर दूर तक you
You
can
can
get a
check the
person.
perfumes and then we can leave.
Perfumes are a good option if you have, you know the perfume, you get it and then leave. Otherwise, makeup mein, if you need some recommendation that with foundation and all that you want, not a good day.
So let's check perfume and then.
Then yeah. Have these cute little gifts, so this is really good. Like you know, choti mini packs ke, like you know, you get options for the different brands. What is this? This is the gloss and the lipstick, but I think I like this one the more. This is having the lip and the cheek secret, and this is their pillow talk, which is very trending. So I think I'll get this one. This is for $80, but the actual value is $114. So I'm definitely taking this. Just look at the big puffs. These are huge puffs from Aritzia. So guys, this is the steal deal. I'm getting this from Aritzia and this is having 50% off. And can you imagine, I'm just getting this for $18. I have the same from Lululemon, but I'm just getting the Aritzia one. And this is, and I just love these bags. These are so compact and you know, travel maybe aapke use ho jata hai. So let me show you the other colors. So just look it off. It's for 38, but now it's $18.99. So this is really good. I am definitely taking this one. But मेरे को और colors नहीं मिल रहे हैं. Maybe the other side has the colors, but the black color is the neutral one, so I'm definitely taking this one. So we are now in the lineup for Bath and Body Works, and in front of us we have almost 50 people because there's a steal deal again. Buy 3 get 3. No, it's not always there. इमरान को हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि they fool you. Like prices. No, Imran, they don't fool us. No, I don't think so. Imran thinks कि मतलब जो भी price tag होता है वो वही होता है. लेकिन उसके ऊपर वही price tag लगाते हैं. I don't believe it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So nice. Oh my god, just look at this. मेरे को ऐसे मन कर रहा है ये सारा पिंक जितना भी है ना सब कुछ ले लो. This one. Oh, they have a pink this as well. Pink candle भी है. Perfect in pink. Oh my god, Imran, you have to smell this. So I'm definitely getting this. ऐसे इतना attractive है ना ये सारा pink. So guys, we are so tired. Oh my god! And I think for the first time we didn't got it. So we didn't receive what I'm saying. Sorry, I got distracted from the person. He was saying hi at the end. So we were not able to get anything. I don't know why the whatever deals and everything are going crazy.
Offers are, I think so. Offers are there, but it's about hunting for the right offers.
And I think we chose the wrong timing. Maybe that's the reason. And मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें भी थी. Like you know, there were certain deals who were awesome.
We can do one thing. I can drop in the morning.
But the Black Friday deal is खत्म.
Tomorrow, right?
Or tomorrow is not Black Friday.
We should be having these.
I think मुझे ऐसे लगता है I am that type of a person there are deals options and there are non-deal options. I get attracted to non-deal options. So it's better to shop normal days mein rather than, hunting for things like in this crowdy thing. So now I am so hungry, so hungry. अब अगर कुछ हमने, I expected I'll shop like jackets and all that, but unfortunately, let's make happy by eating at least a good dinner, right?
Let's see.
So let's go for a dinner, and I don't know, hopefully dinner में भी इतना
Rush.
messed up na ho. We'll not prefer a place here in the square one. So we'll definitely hunt for a good place to eat because I really want to eat some good food. So let's see you at the dinner.